In this video, I'll show you how to build a calculator with Claude AI. This is a simple way to create basic or custom calculators for different use cases. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to build a calculator. For example, I might type, "Create a simple calculator that adds, subtracts, multiplies, and divides numbers." After typing the prompt, I'll click the Send button. Claude will generate a calculator structure, which could be a formula, table, or even code depending on the request. If I want a more advanced calculator, I can include more details in my prompt, such as the type of calculation or features needed. For example, I might type, "Create a calculator for calculating total cost with tax and discount." Claude can also generate the calculator in different formats, such as Excel formulas, HTML, or JavaScript code. If needed, I can ask Claude to refine the calculator or add more features. Once the calculator is ready, I can copy or download the content and use it in my project, website, or spreadsheet. And that's it. I've successfully built a calculator using Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.